Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I am back with another tutorial video of how you can save all contacts on iCloud from iPhone. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on your settings. Now you will be appear with the settings of your mobile phone. So in order to save all contacts on iCloud from iPhone, you'll have to log into your Apple ID. So now tap on your Apple ID. Now here you can see several options. Go ahead and tap on iCloud. Now once you tap on it, you will be appear with another more options. Now you can see the option called show all. Simply tap on it. Now the option contacts is visible right here. Make sure to enable it if it is disabled. So once you have enabled it, save contacts will be automatically saved on your iCloud from your iPhone. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can save all contacts on iCloud from your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.